2026 Hummer Motorhome, a vehicle that redefines off-road living with brute strength, bold design, and premium features. Known for its rugged heritage, the Hummer takes a leap into the motorhome segment with this all-electric giant, combining the capabilities of an adventure-ready SUV with the comfort of a high-end RV. The exterior of the 2026 Hummer Motorhome is a commanding presence on the road. With its boxy shape, high ground clearance, and massive all-terrain tires, it looks ready to conquer any landscape. LED light bars stretch across the front, while the classic Hummer grille remains as bold as ever. Reinforced bumpers, roof racks, and solar panels on the roof emphasize its dual personality as a tough off-roader and a self-sufficient home on wheels. Its wide stance, integrated winches, and off-road steps show that functionality has not been sacrificed for style. Powering this beast is a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain. The Hummer Motorhome is equipped with 3 electric motors generating over 1,000 horsepower and more than 11,500 lb-ft of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in approximately 4 seconds, which is impressive given its size. The Ultium battery platform offers a range of up to 400 miles, depending on usage and terrain. Advanced off-road modes, crab walking capability, adaptive air suspension, and a 4-wheel steering system allow this motorhome to navigate tight trails and rough terrain with ease. Inside, the Hummer Motorhome offers a futuristic yet cozy environment. The cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen interface that controls everything from navigation to energy monitoring. The living area is outfitted with sustainable materials, giving a premium but eco-friendly touch. Seating converts easily into sleeping areas, while foldable workstations make remote living and working possible. LED mood lighting, panoramic windows, and real wood accents enhance the cabin's upscale feel. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, microwave, smart refrigerator, and hidden storage compartments. The motorhome's HVAC system is solar-assisted and can be controlled remotely. A high-end bathroom features a water-saving shower, composting toilet, and integrated washer-dryer unit. The bedroom area includes a memory foam bed, blackout shades, and ambient lighting to ensure comfort during rest. Smart energy management allows users to monitor usage and solar charging levels. Tech lovers will appreciate the satellite internet, mobile app integration, and over-the-air updates that keep the software current. Safety systems include 360-degree cameras, advanced lane assist, and emergency braking. The Hummer Motorhome is built for those who seek adventure without giving up comfort, technology, or environmental awareness. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, combining the unmatched legacy of Ferrari's high-performance engineering with the luxury and comfort expected from a premium motorhome. This vehicle represents a bold new direction for the brand. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just about travel. It is about redefining the journey itself. The exterior design of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome immediately commands attention. It blends Ferrari's iconic design language with the structural demands of a full-sized motorhome. Sculpted aerodynamics, bold lines, and aggressive front fascia give it a sporty stance despite its large size. With carbon fiber elements, high-performance alloy wheels, and active aerodynamic components, it maintains the Ferrari tradition of speed-focused aesthetics. LED lighting runs across the vehicle with precision, enhancing visibility and futuristic appeal. Under the hood, the Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that includes a V12 petrol engine paired with electric motors, delivering an impressive combined output of approximately 950 horsepower. This setup ensures that the motorhome not only provides incredible torque for highway cruising, but also remains surprisingly efficient thanks to its regenerative energy systems. The vehicle supports fast charging and features a smart power management system that ensures optimal performance at all times. It also includes adaptive suspension, four-wheel drive, and dynamic steering, giving drivers precise control and comfort. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome exudes opulence and advanced technology. The interior is fitted with hand-stitched Italian leather, brushed aluminum trims, and carbon fiber accents. The spacious living area includes reclining leather seats, a 75-inch OLED entertainment display, and a custom sound system tuned for a cinematic experience. The cockpit is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen with gesture and voice control, and integrated navigation optimized for motorhome routes. The kitchen area is compact but luxurious, featuring high-end appliances such as an induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, and smart storage solutions. The bedroom offers a queen-sized adjustable bed, ambient lighting, and climate control for maximum relaxation. The bathroom is finished with marble surfaces, rainfall shower, and eco-friendly water systems. Every element is designed to ensure a first-class travel experience on the road. Additional features include solar panels, a roof deck lounge, satellite internet connectivity, and smart home integration that allows voice commands for lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems. The Ferrari Motorhome is not only a mobile home, but a statement of luxury lifestyle on wheels. If you found this review informative and exciting, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed automotive reviews and future vehicle insights. This is Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the most fascinating vehicles in the world of automobiles.